In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new contact to a group in Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to fill in, and how to make sure the new person shows up in the right place. Start by opening Outlook. You can use the desktop app or Outlook on the web. The screens may look slightly different, but the process is essentially the same. Give it a second to load your mailbox so everything in the navigation is available. Next, head to the People area. This is the part of Outlook where your contacts and contact lists live. Look along the left-hand menu for People. It often appears as an icon that looks like two silhouettes. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover or expand it to see the full labels. Clicking People takes you out of your inbox view and into your address book. Now select your contact list. This is the list or group you want to add the new contact to. If you manage multiple lists, glance at the names carefully to pick the correct one so your new contact ends up in the right place. Opening the list lets you work specifically with its members rather than your entire address book. Choose Add a Contact. You'll typically find this near the top of the window or in a toolbar within the list view. In some layouts it may appear as New Contact. The idea is the same. You're creating a contact entry that will belong to the list you just selected. Fill in the contact details. At a minimum, add the person's name and primary email address, since that's what the list uses to deliver messages. If you have them, include phone numbers, company, job title, or any notes that help you remember who they are or why they're in this list. Adding clear details now saves time later, especially if your organization has multiple people with similar names. If Outlook suggests a duplicate, check that you're not adding the same person twice and adjust the entry if needed. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. Outlook will store the contact and associate it with the list you selected. You should now see the new contact appear among the list's members. If it doesn't show up immediately, wait a moment or refresh the view. You can always open the contact later to edit details or remove it from the list if you added it by mistake. That's it, you've opened Outlook, gone to People, chosen the right contact list, added a contact with the details you need and saved your changes. Thanks for watching and happy organizing in Outlook.